Okay, ready? Hold
Say
on.
it loud.
This is the ruddy duck, guys. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah. Rotate.
All right.
Got it.
Here we go.
Okay, next.
Next, APO1. This is the black-chinned hummingbird. As you can see, it has a green tint to it. Got it?
Okay.
Next, we have the white-throated swift. The throat is white. Okay. Alright. The next one is the California gull. It's big, it's white and gray. Okay. The next one is the avocet. It has a very thin little beak.
Can you spin that around?
Alright. Next one is the black crown night heron. Alright. It's huge. The next is the mourning dove. It's small. It has a little purple in it. Can you see? Alright. The next one is the pigeon or the rock dove. They're the same thing. And it has purple and green. Alright. The next one is the kingfisher. You can see it has white on the throat, small. Alright. The next one is the roadrunner. It's upside down. Alright, so it has all kinds of colors. It's kind of weird looking. And then we have the red-tailed hawk. This is probably the biggest bird. It's just huge. Alright. And then the sharp-shinned hawk. As you can see, the tail is fanned out, which is a cool characteristic. After that, we have the black-shouldered kite. It's white, and it has black wings. You can't really see the rest of it, but there you go. And then after that, we have the sparrowhawk. They're very small, colorful. And then the Cooper hawk, which is another hawk with the fan right here. Pretty big, tall. And then we have the very colorful ring-necked pheasant. Looks like a peacock, I think. It's just really, really colorful. And then you have the robin. Robin is small, tiny, like the sparrow.
Brown belly.
Yeah. Then we have the crow. Crows are black. That's a good characteristic. Just all black. Then the stellar jay. Stellar jays are known for their blue. Very colorful, pretty.
Afro.
Yeah. And then we have the scrub jay. So the difference between these, this one is probably smaller.
It's a white belly.
And it has, yeah, a white belly compared to the blue belly. The blue and gray. This is just white and gray. Then after that, we have the bullock orioles. It's tiny, yellow, super cute. Got it, guys? And then the acorn woodpecker. It's upside down. Look! Red head. Easy enough, right? And then after that, we have the Lewis woodpecker. This one, as you can see, has red on the belly, different from the other woodpecker. And then moving down, the yellow-bellied sap sucker. I don't really see the yellow, but you can see color down here. It's pretty. Then you have the red-shafted
Flicker.
Yeah, flicker.
No, they're backwards. This is the yellow belly. That's the flicker.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
Damn it.
All right.
This is the yellow-bellied.
Yeah, this is the
sapsucker.
yellow-bellied sapsucker, and it has the red head
And the yellow belly right there, very
very,
thin.
yeah, faint and yellow.
And this is the flicker.
This right here is our flicker. The flicker, you can see that color on the bottom. Okay, and then we have the Western grebe. It's huge. It has a very long neck. That's distinguishable. And then the barn owl. It's an owl. And then after that, the yellow-bellied magpie. I wouldn't say it's yellow. It's more like white right here, and with a lot of black.
And that's it.
Yep.